Welcome back to our pollution series. Today we will learn about plastic pollution, what it is, its effect on our wildlife, health, and planet. Plastic is a type of material we use every day. It's the water bottles we use, the helmets our construction workers use, and it can even be found in our cars. It is important to note that it is useful to our lives because they are so durable. But that's part of the issue. Because the plastics are so durable, it could take hundreds of years for it to break down. Let's take a closer look. A plastic bag can take between 100 to 300 years to fragment, and a plastic water bottle can take 450 years in a marine environment. That's a long time for a product we only use once. This is why single-use plastics are a main issue. Now that we have an idea of how long it takes to fragment, let's take a look at the harm it could cause. Our wildlife is directly affected by plastic pollution. Animals like fish, turtles, and birds can become tangled in plastic products such as fishing gears and plastic bags. They can also accidentally consume plastics, mistaking it for their prey. Scientists have found animals washed up on shore with stomachs filled with plastic. This in turn is a huge problem for humans. It's a fact that when we eat fish, we are also consuming plastic. The concern is, what is the effect? When plastics and seawater mix, it absorbs chemicals that are linked to endocrine disruption and cancers. Now, you may be asking, can we just clean up the plastic we see on the street or at the beach? Yes, we can. But the problem is much bigger. Only 1% of plastic can be found floating in our oceans, while 94% has sunk to the bottom of the ocean. And to put this into perspective, about 12 million tons of plastic end up in our ocean each year. Additionally, we have about 51 trillion microscopic pieces of plastic, which is not visible to the human eye. As you can see, plastic pollution is a huge problem we are facing. While we can help clean up the plastic we see, there are still microplastics in our environment. One of the best ways you can help is to stop purchasing and using single-use plastic products. But don't forget to continue to do your own research and follow National STEM Honor Society today.